pretty, Tara?
Yeah. The
Very
Christmas colors.
pretty. Christmas colors, yeah.
Tara,
Yeah.
Up here with me.
you have her?
Yes.
All right.
Freak. I have my baby girl. We're watching the pretty fireworks together. Oh, the lightning dog in here. Cool. Woohoo! Say woohoo, Tara. Come on, say woohoo.
Why?
Because it's one thing to say.
Hello.
Woohoo!
Hello.
Let's see if I can get you on here. There we go. Do you like the fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're fun to watch, huh? We got a front row seat, don't we? Pretty girl. Any more?
I think so.
We got our own to do. A few minutes.
There's some over there.
Watch your head. You just jam me in my chin. My battery's going dead. It's going to die any second.
It's
I
still got
really
video.
should have charged it before tonight, huh?
Yeah.
That would have been smarter, Mommy. Oh, I seen something go up.
Me too. There's some over there.
All right, we'll take a break.